What's up, everybody? Coming at you with a real short video, little mod that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and it has to do with this little guy right here. Today we're going to do the 4 high mod. Super simple. I'll link this part down in the description, and you can get it off of eBay pretty cheap. You can get it off Amazon pretty cheap, but it's going to be a little bit more expensive. And what this does, this makes all 4 headlights come on I think 2000 to 2006 GMC trucks and SUVs. As you know, the highs only come on when the lows are off, which both of them, the high and the low, doesn't come on at the same time, which I really don't like. That's why I went and bought this, and now I'm going to show you how to put this thing in. Super simple, takes like 5 minutes, and you'll have your high beams and low beams on at the same time while you have your highs on. Show you. Okay, so there's my dims. I got the doors shut in here. There's the highs. Now that was just the highs with me pulling them to like flash. Okay, so now that's with the highs. Get out. All right, see, our highs are just on. And now our lows are just on. This little part right here is going to change all that. So we're going to come over here. We're going to shut the truck off, open the hood. I've got the lights off in here so you can see the lights a lot better. Turn our lights off. Okay, so these relays here, 1, 2, 3, 4, they all have to come out, and this little guy will sit down in there just like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4 relays have to come out. So let's go ahead and do that now. Try not to get these mixed up, because I really don't know if they have to go back in the same spot or not. Take your 4 high mod, and where those relays were, just put it right down in there like that. And if you know you have it in there right, it'll be around those 2 fuses. So then what we're going to do, just going to put our relays back in the correct holes. And now all 4 of our lights should come on when we turn the brights on. Alright, there's our dims. Both dims are on. Now I'm going to flash the brights just by pulling it toward me. Now I'm going to turn the brights on, see what we got. Now you can see the dim is on and the high is on. Now you have completed the 4 high mod. Simple as that. Took 2 minutes. And you can see in there the bright light is on. Alright, well that does it for this real quick 5-minute video. Hope it helped out. I hope it helped out. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for that part if you want to get it. It's a real big game changer for nighttime driving, definitely, when you know, you have all 4 of your lights to work. All right, see y'all later, and keep on wrenching.